TikTok live option not showing up? Well, let me help you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your TikTok live option is not showing up. Now, in TikTok you can either normally post a video or you can go live as well. But if you open up your app here, right now you can see on screen I've opened my app. Once on app, if I go to tap on the plus button on the bottom of my screen here, and then if I scroll this on the bottom of my screen here, you can see the option live. Now this way you can go live, but what if you don't find this? Now the reason you can't find this is probably because you don't have enough followers on TikTok. The minimum followers requirement for you to go live on TikTok is 1000. So make sure you have 1000 followers, and once you get 1000 followers you'll be instantly able to go live on TikTok and you'll get the live option. Now the other factor that affects live option on your TikTok account is your age. Now you need to be 13 in order to be up on TikTok, but you need to be 16 in order to go live. So if you are not getting live option, even though if you have 1000 followers, is probably because of your age. Now you can go and change your age by tapping on the three line icon on the top right, and go to settings and privacy, go to accounts, and here go to account information and tap on date of birth, and you'll be able to change your date of birth here. Now since I recently changed, I can't change it, but you should be able to change if you haven't changed recently. So this way you can get TikTok live option. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.